Stop scrolling. This simple Stickman video is making over $4,000 per month, and most people have no idea it even exists. No face, no voice, no expensive tools, just simple animations and smart strategy. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, using 100% free AI tools for both images and videos. Yes, completely free. Everything you're seeing on the screen right now is generated using free AI tools. But here's the twist. We're not just copying these videos. We're turning them into finance content, which means higher RPM and more money per view. And trust me, once you understand this method, you won't look at YouTube the same way again. Now look at this. This Stickman channel has just 37 videos and already has over 100 subscribers, making around $441 per month. Here's another one, Simplexury. Only 341 subscribers with 116 videos and already generating income. And now look at this, Rico Animation, with 12.9 million subscribers and only 825 videos. That's the power of simple Stickman content. And yes, all of these channels are fully monetized. You can verify them yourself, but here's the real opportunity. Most people are doing this in a basic way. We're going to do it smarter by targeting the finance niche, because finance content pays significantly higher. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create Stickman videos, how to target the finance niche, and how to increase your RPM. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to ChatGPT. After opening it, go to the search section and type Stickman Visuals. Then click on Start Chat. Now simply write this prompt. Give me 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts about how to make money in finance. Simple style. And instantly, it will generate image prompts, video prompts, with consistent character style, camera angles, and background scenes. Everything is already done for you. You don't need to add anything manually. Now, next step, image generation. The tool we're going to use today is Microsoft Bing Image Generator. Most people don't even know it can generate both images and videos. Simply search Microsoft Bing Image Generator, open it, and you don't even need to sign in. Inside, you'll find different models like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and more. You can also select ratios like vertical or square. Now, copy your first image prompt, paste it into Bing, select your ratio, and click Generate. As you can see, the images are now generating. Sometimes the results may not be perfect, and that's okay. You can switch models and try again. For example, use DALL-E 3 or ChatGPT model for better quality. Now look at this result. This is a clean, professional Stickman image. The character is writing about freelancing, online business, and investing. This is exactly what we need because we are targeting the finance niche. Let me tell you something very important. Finance niche RPM is very high. On average, you can earn $10 to $15 per $1,000 views. So if your video gets 1,000 views, that's $10, and if it gets 4,000 views, that's $40. Now imagine uploading 1 to 2 videos daily. You can easily reach $3,000 per month. And now our image is ready. Next step, video generation. Let's move to that. So guys, the goal of today's video is simple. Create a Stickman character, turn it into finance content, upload on YouTube, and start earning. This is one of the easiest and most powerful ideas right now. And yes, it is 100% monetizable. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And now let's move to the next step. Now our images are ready. It's time to create the videos. For video generation, it's very simple. You'll see a video option inside the tool. Just click on it. Then go to the upload section and upload your first image. After that, go back and add your prompt. You can use the same prompt and it will still work perfectly. However, one important thing. If you don't add a separate voiceover prompt, the video will generate without voiceover. For voiceover, you need to ask ChatGPT separately, and it will generate video prompts with voiceover included. As you can see, the generation has started. And in just a few moments, your first video will be ready. And guys, don't forget to comment below what type of videos you want next. Our goal is simple, to help you earn as much as possible from YouTube, because 2026 is one of the best times to start earning online. Now let's wait a few seconds, and here it is, our first video is ready. You can see the Stickman character typing on a laptop. It looks clean, simple, and very professional. However, this version doesn't include voiceover, only sound effects are added. To download it, just click on the 3 dots and download your video. Now let's create the next video. Upload the second image, keep the same ratio, and this time we'll use a prompt that includes voiceover. I already generated voiceover prompts using ChatGPT. Now I'll paste it here and click Generate. This time, the video will include voiceover as well. And the best part? This tool is still completely free. You can easily create around 10 to 15 videos for free. And honestly, very few people know about this tool. On this channel, we always bring you new and free AI tools. If you've watched my previous videos, you already know we never recommend paid tools, only free, powerful, and useful tools. But for that, we need your support. Our channel is not monetized yet, and these videos take a lot of time and effort to create. So if you don't support, it becomes very difficult to continue. Now, as you can see, our second video is ready. Check this out. It has background music, voiceover, and smooth animation. The character is explaining how to earn money through freelancing, finance, and investing. Now we repeat the same process. Upload the next image, paste the prompt, keep the ratio the same, and click Generate. Again, the next video is now generating, and within seconds, it will be ready. Here it is. Our next video is also complete. You can see how the Stickman character is working. It looks clean, engaging, and highly professional. Now guys, once all your videos are generated, the final and most important step is editing. For editing, we'll use a very powerful and simple tool, CapCut. This step is extremely important. And honestly, this is where most people fail. They either skip this part or don't understand its importance. So here's what you need to do. Open CapCut, click on New Project, and import all your videos into the timeline. Now start arranging your clips one by one, adjust them properly, trim unnecessary parts, and make sure everything flows smoothly. Next step, add transitions. Use clean and simple transitions like fade, black fade, and smooth cuts. Avoid overusing flashy transitions. After that, add effects, especially at the beginning of your video, because the first few seconds decide whether people stay or scroll. Use effects that grab attention but keep them clean and professional. Now add background music. Make sure it's soft and not overpowering. The goal is to support your video, not distract from it. Focus on making your editing as strong as possible, because better editing means higher retention. And higher retention means YouTube will push your video to more people. This is the most important part. Never skip this. Once everything is ready, click on Export and export your video in 4K quality for the best results. And now, your final video is ready. This is your result. Now simply upload it to YouTube. Create your channel just like the examples I showed earlier. Apply proper SEO settings and publish your video. If you want, comment below, and in the next video, I'll show you the complete process of creating a channel, uploading videos, and full SEO setup for any niche. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.